Hi, I'm Hack. I'm here to talk you through how to fit your secret fixing pull handle. Secret fix is also known as face fixing. You can secret fix to timber or metal doors. The difference between metal and timber doors is in the bolt. The timber secret fix has a screw thread, the metal secret fixing has a machine thread. Please check you have the right thread for your door before proceeding. Before anything else, you will need to measure the pull handle from the top of one fixing point to the top of the other and drill your holes according to these measurements. We would recommend an 8 to 8.5mm diameter hole be made for these fixings. Once you have made the hole in your door, you screw the secret fix bolt into the door. The bolt head will protrude and you can then slide the pillar or end of the handle onto this. You will need to prep the door with a receiver for an M8 thread. The grub screws are loosely located either side of the fixing point. Tighten these using the hex key provided within the fixing pack. You should tighten both evenly to the point where they bite the bolt and then tighten fully. Tighten the grub screws right up to the point you see the hex key flexing. Then you just need to check this is secure and there is no play or movement in the handle.